Hi everyone, in the given problem statement we have to solve number of 1 bits. We are given a positive integer n. We have to write a function that returns the number of set bits in binary representation, also known as Hamming weight. Set bits are basically, let's say a binary number, it could be 001. The set bit is the 1, which is the 1 value. Let us take the example of a binary number, let's say 8, or let's say for the sake of simplicity let us take a binary number of 7, which is going to have the value of, if I convert it to the binary, then it is a binary of 7 in Python is going to return a value of 0b, 1 1 1. So it would be 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0, which would be 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is going to be 7. So the value or the number of set bit, right, I can count after I converted it, right? I can count the value. So let's say it would be something called count. We want to count the number of set bit of, let's say, 7, just giving a value, and we are going to get a value of 3. So you have to return 3 out here. So that is the basic idea of this function. Let us jump to the Python code. It's going to be a 2-line code, which is pretty straightforward. Let me assign a variable n, which is going to have the binary representation of our given number, and we just have to return n dot count. I just want to count the number of 1 digits or the set bits. Let me run the code. As you could see, the public test case is passed. Let me submit it up. As you could see, it's beating 100% the submission. Our code is pretty efficient and we're getting the results. So here the time complexity will be big of n because you're traversing the entire binary value one time. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.